making these protheses in a traditional way, but they are still 3 times heavier than the high-tech stuff that we can get here in the West. It still involves a lot of manual labor, and the quality is kind of difficult to keep at the constant level. So they came to a visit here in Amsterdam, and well, not here in Amsterdam, but here in the Netherlands. They came to Amsterdam, had a look at our Fab Lab and the possibilities that they could get with such a laboratory full of machines to make almost anything. They had a full-day session with Appie Rietveld. He's a guy who had one of these motorcycle accidents, and he is now a long-distance runner with an artificial leg. They went to visit a company who actually works in the area of orthopedics and makes this kind of stuff. Another company, Kamer, they produce actually these kind of feet. And they learned quite a number of things, and I'd like to highlight just one thing here, that the whole alignment of the artificial implement to the natural body of the patient is highly crucial, so that the forces that we normally can sustain with our limbs can also be sustained with the prothesis. At the end of their visit, and with the knowledge they have themselves, with the knowledge they got from the Fab Lab, they believed that they will be able to produce cheap, long-lasting comfort prosthetics at a price of only $50, which is amazing. And that was in spring this year. What I'm now trying to do is to connect to Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Oh, you can see it and I can't. What a shame. They're saying they're ready. So I call Yogyakarta. Hey, Tommy. Hi, guys.
Hello. Hello.
How are you doing? Try to, I'm not trying to do any silly things now, like tilting my laptop to show the crowds and so on.
Okay.
I just told them that you have been with us in Amsterdam to learn a lot about prosthetics, and that then you went home to take that idea further. Now, what have you done in the meantime?
My name is Tony, and this is Ira from House of Natural Fiber. So, as what Peter explained about our project during visit in Fablab Amsterdam, not only the machine in Fablab Amsterdam, but we also get some knowledge and information, etc., from Dr. Marcel Conrad, the Troxler orthopedic, and also Mr. Kamer from Kamer orthopedic, and also Appie Rietveld is one of the prosthetic user. So continue what we have learned during this day in Amsterdam. we intensively talk with Yakum Rehabilitation Center in Yogyakarta. But I'm sorry that for today I cannot present the director of Yakum Rehabilitation Center to talk with all of us here. But more or less, maybe what Peter explained about Yakum Rehabilitation Center and what they do is, I think, is more or less represent what is Yakum is. So maybe we continue with what we have progress with Yakum. That during our last meeting with the director and all the Yakum staff, we have a lot of input from them that they do making prosthetic and also they they do the not only prosthetic, they also do orthostic, and also they design some bicycle which is called tricycle only for the disabled people, which is the handle is all from with the hand. And also they modified some wheelchairs that will suit for young clients. But they have also some division that they want to build a prosthetic component that they dream to be one of the prosthetic component supplier in Indonesia. So,
okay, Tommy, I think I'm losing you there. I'm trying to reconnect. And Tommy, I might suggest that we don't use video at that moment to spare some bandwidth. No, don't refuse me.
hello.
Hi, Tommy, you're back. Can I suggest? Can I suggest
Indonesia action?
Can I suggest that you don't use the video camera at the moment?
Okay.
And I then would like to show the people here the photos that you just sent over. I think they're sitting somewhere on my desktop.
Yes. So from the picture that I have sent you, one of it is a laser alignment for adjusting the disabled people. That Yakum will never buy this kind of device because it's very expensive for them. So what we have meeting with Yakum, also Alex Shaw have also a meeting with all HONF and also with the director of Yakum staff, that we plan to build or re-engineer the laser alignment with the tools and also with the equipment that Fablab have to re-engineer the laser alignment so that Yakum someday have their own laser alignment. Sorry, our office is a plain fab. So, yeah, just like every day we hear a plane coming above our office. So continue what we will do in the future with the engineering the laser alignment for Yakum is one of our goal of project. So